Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the Graco Tranzitions with a Z 3-in-1 harness booster. Take a look at the retail box and packaging. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's your close-up with the product image right there. Take a look at the top with 3 different configurations depending on how you want to use this. Harness booster, Highback booster, or just a backless booster. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents, everything that's included in the box. First up, we have some product literature right here with safety information as well as our user guide and manual in multiple languages. Get that nice close-up of everything here to see everything that's included. Now let's talk about installation. So basically the unit, as you can see, comes in 2 pieces, but technically they're still connected by the harness. There's just these 2 hooks at the back. You line them up right here, then just twist the top piece on, and then you can adjust the back 2 different heights. So it just clips in and then you pull it up. I put a little bit of weight right here, and you'll see, right, that's how it's gonna look. So just line it up like that. Then you'll bring it up and you'll have some resistance here. And at that point, just go ahead, put some weight like we have here, and then just snap it right in. And then you have 2 different adjustments. So we have it all the way up right there. But technically, you could go back 1 level as well. Next thing we gotta do, let's get the cup holder situated so you can pull these out and get the cup holder set up. Here's the piece of the cup holder, and then you'll line it up and it'll slide in place here. So see that lip, and then right there, that'll go right there and right there on both sides. Just like that, and then press down in place. Other side, same way. There we go. Now if we want, we have this support piece right here. That'll go just like that. So we'll have to unbuckle this, fish this through the first opening from the top, and then our support can be installed. So it'll look just like this. Let's talk about installation. So you'll see on both sides, we have our anchor straps right there, and then in the center, we have our tether strap. Now let's get it installed. Hopefully your car is a lot cleaner than ours, but we've removed the old car seat, so now we can install our booster here. And there's our 2 anchor points for our latch system that we're gonna mount, one on the left and one on the right side. And then for us, here is our mount and anchor on the back side for our center strap. Both are clipped in place. Now we're gonna line everything up and pull this strap to get everything nice and tight. Now we'll take our center strap, we'll route it through the headrest here and behind the seat to attach. Right down the center of the back of the seat, hooked right in place, and now we pull this strap tight. And now you're looking at everything installed, and to check that, reference the user guide, but basically they have you shake up at the top to get a feel for if it's properly tightened down. Try to show you that right here on the page. That's how you're gonna be able to double check your work. Basically, if the seat moves less than 1 inch, it's tight enough. But please, 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 I cannot stress enough that you must follow the user guide and manual to get this installed. This video is just a reference for you. Follow the official instructions from the manufacturer. If at this stage you're wondering what this is, don't worry. This is a seatbelt positioning clip. If you're going to use the seatbelt installation method, then you'll be using this product. If not, just keep it on hand for future use as you reposition and reconfigure your booster seat. Underneath the front cover, you'll notice this little instructions tag here. You can pull out this pocket and pouch so we can store everything right with the seat. We can slide everything in from the side. For good measure, I'm gonna add the clip in there as well too. It was pretty bulgy, but I was able to go ahead and pull up the cover on both sides and tuck everything in the front out of the way. And there you have it, everything all set and ready to go for your child.